Before a new human being comes into existence, there is just one egg from the mother. And there are tens of millions of sperm cells from the father, although only one will bond with the egg. This moment is called conception or fertilization. Each parent provides chromosomes, 23 from the father and 23 from the mother. These chromosomes contain DNA, the coding that determines male or female, the color of the eyes, the texture of the hair, and countless other traits. This is a boy named Oliver. Oliver travels down his mother's fallopian tube towards the uterus. His outer layer will dissolve, and he will implant in the nutrient-rich lining of the mother's womb. Implantation begins about 6 days after fertilization and is complete by about 12 days. Oliver's cells organize into 3 layers, each destined to build specific parts of the body. The neural plate appears, the first outline of a brain and spinal cord. And then, at 3 weeks, 1 day, just 22 days after fertilization, the heartbeat can be detected. It will pulse 105 to 120 times per minute by week 4. We can see the development of internal organs like the stomach and early lungs. Cerebral hemispheres develop in the brain. He will withdraw his head with a light touch to the mouth area. Buds of the arms and legs have been developing since week 4. Brainwaves have been recorded around 6 weeks. Between 6 and 7 weeks, Oliver's hands and feet change significantly as separate fingers and toes begin to emerge. He will also begin to move both of his hands. Oliver will move his legs by 7 weeks. Oliver's diaphragm has formed, and he has the hiccups. The heart now has 4 chambers. The fingers separate, elbows bend, and pigments start forming in the eye. Between 7 and 8 weeks, the upper and lower eyelids grow rapidly and begin to fuse together, giving the eyes a nearly closed appearance by 8 weeks. Between 9 and 10 weeks, Oliver's weight increases over 50%. He's no longer called an embryo, but a fetus. Fingernails and toenails begin to appear. And he will also have unique fingerprints. Oliver prefers moving his right hand, a preference that will likely continue after birth. His mother will first sense Oliver's movement between 14 and 18 weeks, but he is very active before then. He develops a white, waxy protective coating on his skin called vernix. Hiccups exercise his diaphragm, preparing him for breathing. A fine, soft hair known as lanugo nearly covers the entire body. He can perceive vibrations and low-frequency sounds. The eyes are preparing for sight. Babies have been born and survived outside the womb as early as 19 weeks post-fertilization. Oliver's eyes reopen and he will blink in response to loud noises. Oliver has the sense of taste at 26 weeks, and his pupils dilate in response to light at 27 weeks. He can differentiate between high-pitched and low-pitched sounds. He breathes amniotic fluid in and out of the lungs. Oliver will develop preferences for particular voices, especially his mother's, and familiarity with pieces of music. Hair grows on the scalp, and pads in the cheeks thicken to support continuous suction after birth. When he is ready to be born, he will use his arms and legs to move downward into position. By the time Oliver is born, he will have already spent 9 months growing and preparing for life in the world.